Scaling is another very important thing, and we're starting to see a lot of this now. So for organizations, for example, if you have agents in your something like CrewAI, for example, you want to centralize your agents for your entire organization. So of course, you have to gate it by role-based access. So different people within different teams maybe have different agents, but you don't have to rebuild agents. If there's an agent to review contracts, you don't need to build another one for another department. You can just share that within different departments. And this is where agent-to-agent communication comes in, right? You're able to communicate with, use this other agent to do this big task. And in CrewAI, we have something called flows. So that's where you can connect different agents together. And I usually like to think of it as an organization. So you have an organization, there's engineering department, there's sales department, there's a marketing department. And let's just run through a scenario where engineering is composed of course, software engineers, data analysts. Well, they build a product that then once it's done, it kicks off maybe marketing to actually generate marketing material for that product. And then when marketing is finished, or also kicks off sales as well at the same time, sales go do the selling, and revenue comes back to the company, right? So in CrewAI, you're able to orchestrate all these departments using something called flows. So you're able to have like logic gates, essentially, you say, and or it's more like conditional loops, basically, to be able to route to different departments, listen to engineering when they're done, kick off this other one. And you can build that all the way up into like a big tree of agents to be able to run a lot of processes here. And that's very important.